hello, welcome back to our channel Quick Study. So in this video we are going to see another topic in quantitative aptitude, that is boats and streams. So let's get started. The first question is a boat with a speed of 30 km per hour in still water. If the speed of a stream water is 4 km per hour, find the time taken by the boat to go 68 km downstream. There are two basic formulas to solve boat and stream problems. Those are speed of boat in upstream equals to speed of boat in still water minus speed of water. Speed of boat in downstream equals to speed of boat in still water plus speed of water. Given that the speed of a boat in still water is 13 km per hour and speed of stream water is 4 km per hour, we have to calculate the time taken by boat in downstream to cover a distance of 68 km. Firstly, we will find the speed of boat in downstream, that equals to speed of boat in still water plus speed of stream, that implies 13 plus 4, which gives 17 km per hour. Now we know the speed. To find the time, we know that speed equals to distance by time. That implies 17 equals to 68 by time. Time equals to 68 by 17, which gives as 4. Hence, the time taken by the boat to go 68 km downstream is 4 hours. Coming to the next question, a boat running upstream takes 8 hours 48 minutes to cover a certain distance, while it takes 4 hours to cover the same distance running downstream. What is the ratio between speed of boat and speed of water current respectively? In the question, they have given two conditions regarding upstream and downstream with same distance. Let the distance be x kilometers. And we have to find the ratio of speed of boat in still water and speed of water. So their speeds are assumed as y and z respectively. We know that speed of boat in upstream equals to speed of boat in still water minus speed of stream. That implies y minus z. Writing speed in terms of distance and time, speed equals to x by 8.8 hour. They have given that time equals to 8 hour 48 minutes. Convert minutes into hour, we get 8.8 hour. Y minus z equals to x by 8.8. Coming to the second condition, speed of boat in downstream equals to speed of boat in still water plus speed of stream. That implies y plus z. Writing speed in terms of distance and time, speed equals to x by 4. That equals to y plus z equals to x by 4. In the question, they have given that to calculate ratio between speed of boat and speed of water. So divide equation 1 and equation 2. We get y by z equals to 8 by 3. Note, speed of boat in upstream equals to speed of boat in still water minus speed of stream. Speed of boat in downstream equals to speed of boat in still water plus speed of stream. We are finding the difference in upstream because the flow of water and the boat are in opposite direction. Similarly, in downstream, the flow of water and boat are in same direction. And we know that speed equals to distance by time. With these three formulas, we can solve boats and streams problems easily. Coming to the next question, a boat takes 90 minutes less to travel 36 miles downstream than to travel the same distance upstream. If the speed of boat in still water is 10 miles per hour, the speed of stream is. To find the speed, we have to know distance and time. Here, we don't know the time. So, let the time taken to travel in upstream be x hours. Similarly, time taken to travel in downstream is x minus 1.5 hour. Because in the question, it is given that the time taken to travel downstream is 90 minutes less than upstream. Hence, it is x minus 1.5 hour. Distance is given as 36 miles. We have to find speed of stream. So, it is assumed as z. We know that speed of boat in downstream equals to speed of boat in still water plus speed of stream. That implies 10 plus z equals to 36 by x minus 1.5. Similarly, speed of boat in upstream equals to 10 minus z, that equals to 36 by x. By adding these two equations, we get 20 equals to 36 by x plus 36 by x minus 1.5. By simplifying this, we get 5x square minus 25.5x plus 13.5 equals to 0. Find the roots of the x. We get 4.5 and 0.6. By substituting x in any one of the equation, we get z equals to 2 miles per hour and minus 50 miles per hour. Speed is not negative. Hence, speed of boat in still water is 2 miles per hour. Note, convert the units into appropriate one and form the equations accordingly. Using this, we can solve the problems easily. Coming to the next question, a man rode to a place 48 kilometers distance and come back in 14 hours. He finds that he can row 4 kilometers with the stream in the same time as 3 kilometers against the stream. The rate of the stream is. In the question, they have given that the time is same in both upstream and downstream condition. So, let it be x hours. Speed of boat in upstream equals to 3 by x. Speed of boat in downstream equals to 4 by x. In the question, it is given that 48 kilometers distance for upstream and downstream each, and time taken for both streams is 14 hours. So, 48 by 4 by x plus 48 by 3 by x equals to 14. That equals to 28x equals to 14. X equals to 1 by 2. We know that speed of boat in upstream equals to speed of boat in still water minus speed of stream. That equals to 3 by 1 by 2, that equals to 6 km per hour. Speed of boat in downstream equals to speed of boat in still water plus speed of stream. That equals to 4 by 1 by 2, that equals to 8 km per hour. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, 2 into speed of stream equals to 8 minus 6, that equals to 2. Hence, speed of stream equals to 1 km per hour. We will see some more problems regarding boats and streams in next video. That's all for today's video. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.